a cosmic dance. Our home, the Earth, is a big, beautiful ball that is always spinning. It dances around a bright, warm star we call the sun. But the Earth is not alone in this dance. There are other dancers, other planets, that also move around the sun. Together, they are a big family called the solar system. The planet closest to the sun is Mercury. It is very small and very hot because it is so close to the sun's warmth. Next is Venus, a planet that is almost the same size as our Earth. Venus is also very hot, like a warm, cozy blanket. Our Earth is the third dancer from the sun. It has a special friend, a big moon that follows it everywhere. The moon is smaller than the Earth, but it is a good friend. The fourth planet is Mars, the red planet. It is a little smaller than Earth and can be a bit chilly. Mars has 2 tiny moons that are like little pets. After Mars, there is a big space with lots of little rocks called asteroids. They are like a big belt of skipping stones between the planets. The fifth planet is Jupiter, the biggest of all. It has many moons that dance around it, and a big red spot that looks like a giant eye. The sixth planet is Saturn. It is famous for its beautiful rings, which are like a shiny hula hoop. The rings are made of tiny, icy dancers. Far away are Uranus and Neptune. They are big, gassy planets that are very cold. Because they are so far from the sun, they were discovered with special stargazing tools called telescopes